This is how the technician installs a one-piece toilet. First, we will tape around the waste pipe. Use cement to fill the waste pipe. Cut off the excess part of the waste pipe. Attach the water supply pipe to the tank. Next, we will attach the rubber gasket to the waste pipe and align it with the toilet's drain hole. Use a level to determine the position and fix the toilet in place. Insert plastic shims under the toilet base to prevent wobbling. Then, attach the toilet lid. Connect the water supply pipe to the pressure-reducing valve. Finally, apply silicone sealant around the toilet. This is how the technician installs a hot and cold shower system. First, we will turn off the water supply to make the installation easier. Apply silicone sealant around the water supply pipe holes. Next, attach the shower base brackets. Use a spirit level to ensure water balance and accurately mark the balance points for installation. Wrap Teflon tape around the shower base threads. Then screw the base to the proper position. Attach the two connectors of the shower mixer. Then, install the mixer onto the shower base. Next, measure the exact position to attach the water supply pipe. Finally, install the shower head, spray nozzle, and handheld shower. This is how the technician installs a combo vanity cabinet with a lavabo. First, we will trim the pipe and attach the gasket to the drain hole. Turn off the water supply to make the installation easier. Apply silicone sealant around the water supply pipe holes. Install the shut-off valve onto the water supply pipe. Measure and mark the positions, then drill holes for the vanity cabinet and mirror cabinet. Clean any dust from the drilled holes. Insert plastic anchors into the drilled holes. Attach the vanity cabinet to the drilled holes. Next, install the sink and faucet onto the vanity. Then, attach the mirror cabinet to the drilled holes. Use a spirit level and jack to make the installation process easier. Finally, apply silicone sealant to fill the gap between the sink and the wall.